How are we going, everyone? Today we're back with the Outback Project Driftwags. We're going to just be doing a simple little install today on a aftermarket steering wheel and boss kit. Has the old crappy Subaru steering wheel. It's all ripped up and a bit clanky and junky, so we're going to be taking that out, keeping it aside and putting in an aftermarket one. I'm feeling a little off today, so hopefully we can do this pretty quick. Plus it's just started raining, and raining in this shed, when it rains in this shed, it is like so loud on the roof. So I'm going to try and get it done quick as a little tutorial on how we're going to do it. First things first, we're going to take the battery off so the airbag doesn't just blow up in our face. So I'll grab that one off now, and then we'll go inside the car. Perfect. Alright, battery's out. Now we're going to head on inside the car. If we get in here, hope there's enough light. Obviously we've got to get this out. I've got a collection of tools already, some sockets, bigger ones because I know it's going to be bigger, and Torx screwdrivers. If it wants to focus. I'm pretty sure I need these. I can't remember what size, and my luck, these are going to be the wrong one. But they're for a little spot right in there. You can kind of see it. I think there's one on this side too, down there, and that holds the airbag in. Alright, steering wheel is straight, and by the looks of those torque bits I definitely don't have the right thing, but you're going to want to go into those little bolt holes there. That should help pull the airbag away from its spot. If you are doing this, T30 is the correct Torx bit, by the way. Holy shit! Because these are most likely never been taken out before. That is in there. This one here came undone with a bit of force. This one is in its spot. Wow. Wee! That is on there. You're lucky I have ideas. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. Get yourself a set with a hole in it so you can use the other one. Perfect. Absolute ideas. Now that that's out, that airbag's gonna come out. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. That bloody airbag was in there. Something crazy, but she's out now. Let's not let this explode because it's gonna hurt. Shouldn't because the battery's out, but I'll put the camera down real quick. Alright, this should just pop out. And there we have it. So, in here, there'll be two clips. This one, which I'm pretty sure is for the airbag, and that one down there, which is for the horn. Either way, I've got one of them mixed around the wrong way, but those two got to come off. We can get rid of this airbag, and then the nut comes off. This nut will come off, whole steering will come off, we swap it all over. This clip, it's got like a green lock mechanism on it, which is actually quite annoying. Is there anything else holding it on accidentally? Look, like I can't see. What's going on here? Oh man, I hate old clips. It's so annoying. Alright, Mr. Airbag, I am not asking any more. Pair of multi-grips on it, should be right. Don't even know how I'm going to grab it, to be completely honest, but there we go. Holy shit, man! You know, you see other videos and that, or like tutorials of people doing things like this, and it always works, just first go. But for some reason, Australian heated cars just don't work. It's like everything just fucking melts together or something. When in doubt, get multi-grips. When in doubt of multi-grips, get some flat heads. If this doesn't work, I don't know. There's probably some stupid easy answer to this. I just hate clips. Can't stand them. I mean, I know they have to be there because otherwise your airbag goes off while you drive, but I didn't know they had to be this hard either. Like, come on, guys. Okay, I've got the thing in its spot now. That was scary. Let's see if this clip just now comes out. Let me get out one more. Fuck's sake, the fucking stupid clip went back in its spot. Fuck you, clip. Ah! Oh my god, I'm like mutilating this clip. I just kind of want to cut the bastard. Surely I don't even bloody need... What am I doing? I probably don't even need to take it off. I'm just going to undo this nut and see what happens if it blows up. Alright, we've got a new plan of attack. I'll grab the biggest impact, and yeah, I'm going to use it on a chrome socket, you know it. I'm not even going to undo the clips because the whole steering wheel comes together. I'm just hoping it should. The battery's off, but if this goes off, then good entertainment, I guess. Flop that on there. Bang. Chrome socket time. Oh, mate, that wasn't even on. It's a little bit scary. Alright. You get your nut off. Don't worry about the wiring, you can probably get it off easier. You're going to screw your nut back on though. Fuck! You're just gonna keep doing this, trust me. Alright, I want to show you all something. This is one of my mates, he's a mechanic. And he put a video up on TikTok of how to remove a steering wheel. Watch this shit. Watch how he does it. I don't know if it's gonna focus, hope it does.
You just fucking... And she's loose.
You reckon? You reckon? Watch this shit. Put this fucking camera back down. Take this little bit out. And you just, the nut loose, and you just fucking... She's not loose, man. Oh, I'm missing something. I have to be. I've never... Disclaimer for people that are watching, I've never actually removed an airbag steering wheel before. All my cars have aftermarket steering wheels, or I have no use for removing them. But the Subi's drift car, so this can fuck off because I don't like it. I will figure this out and I will get back to you when it's off. 15 minutes something later, she is finally off. If you do this and it's really stuck, I sprayed a little bit of penetrant fluid, took this nut off in between the thingies, and then I just used the firewall on my feet, started ripping, and just kept ripping. We're off, finally. Take your nut off, put it in a safe place you won't lose it. Bump, steering wheel. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's the airbag sensor, nice. So this is why you have to take this cable off, because I don't think this actually comes with it. If you take the steering wheel off, that stays there. Damn it, I'll try and get these clips off. Finally, clip is off. Literally there was nothing special to it, it was just really corroded and stuck on there. So that's off now. I'm going to take this one off, and we should be good to take the steering wheel off. This is so much for a quick install, apparently. Oh, that's how one should work, look at that. Alright. Boom! Steering wheel gone skis. I don't know how the hell this thing even works. What it is. What the hell is that? To me this just should clip off, but so far things to me that have meant to clipped off have not clipped off at all, so. This is meant to be a DIY. I don't know what the hell that is. I probably should not have taken that off though. Now I understand why this had to be on and in a certain position. God, I love modifying cars. I'm going to see if I can just take this whole assembly off. I will be back. Alright. So this has gone from more of like a DIY tutorial. It was never meant to be a tutorial, to be completely honest, because I don't know what I was doing. More to just like an absolute shit show everyone's going to think is hilarious. But I've caused a mess in there now. pretty sure what I undid was something to do with the airbag or horn sensors, because it's like a tape. I don't know how to put it back together. Apparently you don't need to, so oh well. I'm going to just slap it back in because I don't care about ever having it there. So I'm just going to put it in there. I don't care if it doesn't work. This is the steering wheel we're putting in. So this steering wheel is actually a GBA. I have no idea what a GBA is. It's strong, it's sturdy, I like it. It came in my S13 when I bought it. It's been around for a while, so I just polished it up, made it look pretty. And here's the Boss kit. Nothing in that. What do we got here? I had to get this sucker online. That's not going to work. I had to get this thing online. Literally, I went to all auto parts stores and they don't even do one for an Outback. Screws, a horn wire. Oh, hold up. To be honest, I have low expectations buying something off the internet because it's made to fit an Impreza, Forester, Legacy. Didn't say Outback, but Legacy is an Outback, I'm pretty sure. So we'll see how this goes. I'm hoping, because otherwise I'm lost. I've been to like every auto parts store around and everyone's like, steering wheel in an Outback. Yeah, shut up, guys. They clearly don't have cool street cred. This is definitely not the right Boss kit for this, because usually what happens is these plates here actually will make a contact, and that's why you only need one horn wire, because that's the negative and that's the positive. This is not like that, so it's definitely not for an Outback, but I don't care about a horn. Oh shit. Well, worst case, if I don't need that, I can just, this goes on and the clip goes around it, then we're good. Because I just did that. Okay, we have a point. Look at my chicken. I'm trying to film. She's cute. I'm gonna have to move that chicken. But anyway, where we're at the moment is I did a little bit more research. I can take this whole thing off. Now I'm just tracking the wires down to 2 clips because I don't want to cut these wires just in case I do want to put this back together. I don't think I'm going to be able to because I don't know what it is. If anyone does know what this actually does, can you please let me know in the comments, because that would be great. But it's all going. Okay, I probably should be filming all of this, but it's a bit hard inside the car. So pretty much I've just taken off this trim to run these wires back. And it looks like it's going to be this stupid green thing again. I can't stand them, and I think it's this one here. I'll have to double check. I'll let you know when I find them. But take them off, feed the wires out, and this stupid elastic, whatever this band thing is gone. And we can put it all together. Alright, I found them. So, we've got the stupid yellow-green thing, like the airbag one, and there's a black one attached to it. It looks like a simple clip out. So, I'll take them both out, and alright. They're out. Done. Finally. Put this crap back together. Put all this back together. There's just those 2 plugs that can all go in, which I'll put back together off camera, and then we'll install this hub and the steering wheel on it as well. That looks like about as straight as it's going to get. Worst case, if it drives a little bit, I'll have to redo this, but you pretty much just got to push it on a little bit, and then you grab your nut from before and you put that on and you just keep tightening. Make sure you're doing a star pattern too when you're tightening these ones. Same with like your wheel nuts, etc. I'm going to clean everything up later. I can't be bothered right now. Not feeling the best, but she's in. Absolute crazy job. Probably not if you've ever done it before. I did not think there was that many pieces of the puzzle to an airbag steering wheel, but there you go. Don't pull that ribbon thing apart. Take the whole thing off if you're going to do this. And the Boss kits do fit. You just can't run horns and that, which is okay. I mean, you could wire in a horn, but this is for a track car, so horn doesn't mean nothing to me. I'd just rather the comfortability of a nice, sturdy aftermarket steering wheel. I do have a quick release hub coming for this too, because this might get bucket seats and I want it to be easier to get in and out of. So I'll probably put that in either on video or not, but that will be going on as well. This is what she looks like. Looks nice and tight. I like it a lot. Oh, aftermarket steering wheels just look so much better, don't they? How we going, everyone? I'm in my bedroom right now. I wasn't expecting these to show up in the mail at the moment, so this will be plopped right in the middle of a video. But I ordered some things mainly for the Subi, the drift wagon. Just like bits and bobs here, and they've all shown up at once. So I've pre-cut them open because I don't know if I'm allowed to show knives, etc. on YouTube, but I'll show you what I've got, and me unpackaging them might as well before they go in the car. We'll start with this first thing. These should be a set of, which they are, JDM license plates. So obviously Driftwagon will not be registered. Here they are. They're in their proper goods, but they're proper like metal printed ones, so they don't mean anything to me, that number at all. I just went for something random, but obviously matching 21.96. Don't know if that's meant to mean anything, but add something there, gives a little bit of spice. Next, just these little crappy like fender washer things, mainly because I'm missing some on the Sylvia. I've got a bunch of red ones, but I'm missing half, and then the other half I'll use to mount the rego plate on the Subi, so it looks alright. Last thing I've got here is for the Subi, which by the time this, whatever video this has been put into, the video of the steering wheel install is already on. We have a quick release steering wheel because it will most likely be running bucket seats, so I want it to look fresh and cool. So there she is. Momo, fancy, actually really nice and heavy. It's got all the wiring, even though we know that the horn's not going to be in it. Perfect. It's a obviously your ball one. Everyone's kind of seen these before. It's a double locking mechanism because it was just a cheap one. I don't really care if it breaks, to be honest, because if I hit something, I hit something. But I was curious to see kind of how the cheap ones would last, you know. So, but these, it's actually quite sturdy. Like, it's very heavy and it feels nice and sturdy when it's locked in and that. So hopefully it's good. I'm not going to film me installing any of these because there's no point, but most likely the next video I film with a Subi, these will all be on it, so that's why this will be in the middle of the video. But there you go. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all got a bit of a laugh at me absolutely failing miserably to put a steering wheel in an airbagged car, but that's how you do it. I hope it was of some help, if not some entertainment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.